Hey guys, camping season is finally here. I'll show you how we set everything up and stay comfortable in our tent.
Yeah, we try to keep it simple. It actually feels really cozy.
Alright, let's talk about power. This basically runs everything for us out here. We can run this fridge all day and night with no problem. So we have Bluetti power station, Bluetti charger and solar panel. So I put solar panel over there, but I moved power station and charger close to solar panel because I have not enough wires. Yeah, I forgot my extension cord. You can put extension cord here and extend your power line from solar panel to charger. This power station has a built-in battery, and the Bluetti charger too. It's kind of like a quiet generator. It charges the station from the solar panel, from this one, and from our extra red audio battery, powerful and reliable. I can also hook it up to the Jeep's battery if I need to. It's a really easy setup. If there is no sun, we still have power. And now check it out. Oh yeah, now we have 9-watt input power. Yeah, it's not enough, but we have no sun, it's cloudy and snow. If everything runs low, I just start the Jeep and charge it back up pretty quick. But honestly, with solar panel and extra battery, we can camp for days without thinking about power. No gas, no noise, just clean and reliable power. At night, when it gets cold, we use our diesel heater. It runs on diesel, but it still needs a bit of power and it doesn't use much, so it can run for a couple of days. I wanna show you app, Bluetti app, system on, turn it on. Yeah, it's go from solar panel and red audio battery like together. If you have no sun, it's go straight to battery. If you have sun, it's go with solar panel and battery. We have 500 watts. Now it's silent charging. Turn it off. Yeah. So we have almost 130 watts from solar panel and 600 watts from this battery. Yeah, and same here. Input, output 0 because fridge doesn't work right now, and it depends how much times you open the lid. When it's neat, it will start working. Now fridge is working. It's about 50 watt. Yeah, when it's cooled down, it's shut off. By the way, I also have a different brand power station. This is the ICECO Delta 3 Classic. So unhook. Oh yeah, it starts charging right away. You can just run whatever setup fits your trip. For me, that flexible is a big deal. Alright, move to the kitchen. This is how we handle food out here.
Yeah, let's make something quick. I'm really hungry. Oh, oh yeah.
Yeah, same here. Usually we use this stove or this grill. It's really convenient. It has legs and side tables, so you can get a nice little cooking space. Over here we got storage for all our kitchen stuff. Yeah. Our simple sink setup, just a water tank with an electric pump, so we can easily wash dishes and hands. I am full. Perfect time for coffee.
Easy.
After this, just chill and enjoy the evening.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite part.
Plug the kettle into the Bluetti, super easy. Yeah, this station handle it easy. 1500 watts. I like this rich ICECO APL 55. Big one, big guy. Yeah, lots of storage. And we have two sections. One and other one. And you can use different temperature. -5 this one. And +5, +6, +7, whatever you want. +5 should be good. Yeah.
Welcome.
Oh. Perfect time for chilling. Oh yeah. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, and set up in seconds. Pack down small, don't take much space.
Comfort makes a big difference out here.
Yeah, that's what we need. Let's check our sleeping area. We use different lights like this, yeah, whatever you want. Here is our sleeping setup, sleeping bags and pillows, just like this. Small bag, and they are very comfortable. Cheesy inside. Yeah, very comfortable. Sometimes we use an air mattress, sometimes folding beds. Just depends what feels better. Yeah, it's small pack. So air mattress is comfortable, but it does get colder at night, that's for sure. We use different sleeping bags. It depends what you like warm, cold, how you feel warm, cold, and also it depends on weather. This one for 0 degree. Yeah. Easy peasy. Couple seconds. Yeah. Let's check this one. And here is our porta potty.
Yeah, I wouldn't go camping without that.
We have light here. Just makes life easier. No looking for bushes, no freezing outside, and no smell. Just put clean water here. Easy to use. When you're done, smash button. Yeah, and don't forget open don't forget open this one. Oop. Yeah, it's clean, no smell, very comfortable. And I like this option. Toilet paper inside. Yeah, just use it, close it. Alright guys, that's our setup for today. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. And don't forget, leave comments below. What do you think about our setup, or maybe you have an idea? Just let us know, and see you soon. And one more thing before we go.
Please guys, don't leave trash behind.
Leave the place cleaner than you found it. And have a good day. See you in the next one.